All right, welcome back everybody to another episode of Now Teslify. We're going to take a look at a product from Tes Studio for the Cybertruck. So I'm actually excited about this one because I haven't seen any other accessory company have an accessory like this one. So I think it's a fairly unique item to Tes Studio. So shout out to them for creating some uniqueness in the marketplace. And let's see what we got. So I have not seen this in person yet. Unboxing it for y'all on camera here. And there we go. So this is an awesome accessory that sits below the charging area in that large center spot. And looks like we have some storage here. Oh, look at this. This little latch here is actually Cybertruck-shaped. That's pretty cool. Does it come out? Oh, yeah, actually the tub comes out. So this looks like, oh, look at this, you guys. So this cavity is open. And I guess this could be like a garbage can or something. That's pretty cool. So it's a plastic texture top, ABS plastic insert. Yeah, and it goes all the way back there. So this is a really good, and could be hidden because I mean, like I said, I didn't know that this actually came out. So that is awesome. I just love the shape of this, and let's put it in the car and see what it looks like. Right in there. There we go. The fit right in below is perfect. This is snug in here. Looks like this is gonna provide some great utility. All right, so let's see if the Cyber vessel fits in here. Look at that. Perfect. So you know what? It's a little bit wiggly, but these are pretty tight up here. So I think if you've got like a larger drink, it will fit in there quite nicely. It did actually also come with an extra spring and a locking mechanism for this guy here. If I can still remove that, yeah. So still easily able to remove this bin too. This is killer. I love this already. I think this is gonna provide really good extra organization for up top. I haven't seen anything else like it, and I can't wait to actually, put it to some good use. So I'll post a link to this product down in the description below to Tes Studio. Definitely check it out. It is $199, and looking at it so far, I think it's actually gonna be a really worthwhile purchase, especially if you're gonna be road tripping and you just need a little bit of extra space for storage of things up front. And again, there's nothing else taking up that space. I've already had several people say, what goes here? And I have no answer for them, and now we've got a good solution. And the fact that it just lifts out, if you don't need it for some reason, lift it out, store it away, and bring it back for your road trip. I really think this is an awesome product, and you should definitely check it out. Thanks so much for watching. Teslify.